Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make my Cricut Mats Sticky Again and how to clean them, especially the ones that are super like gross and all. But before I begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So here's the before and here are the afters. Okay, so here are all my mats. They're all like really bad. We're gonna see how this works. And now I'm just going to wipe it down with the paper towel, and now it needs to fully dry. But as I'm wiping it, I could feel it getting sticky already. Sticky. Now with the really bad messed up ones, okay, here's my super clean mat. It's not sticky because I scraped off all the glue. Okay, so you need like a paper tape, painter's tape, and where the line goes, you have to tape all of that off because that's where your wheels run and you don't want that to be sticky. Okay, and now I'm going to use these. So I got a 2-pack off of Etsy. It's not in the United States and it took a really long time to get here. And I actually, from the same brand, I got the same ones off of eBay and it only took a week to get here. So I have 4 of them right now. And I have used so many glues and all kinds of stuff and nothing ever worked. This thing is literally the best. So you need a clean, dry sponge. And I'm actually going to cut this so I can use them for a lot more stuff because you really don't need a big piece. So I'm just going to use one. I'm just going to put these little tiny dots everywhere. Okay, I could always add more later. And you kind of have to do this fast. And the more you layer on, the stickier, like the stronger the grip will be. And now I'm going to let it dry for 20 minutes. But before I let it dry, I'm just going to take this off. And the sponge you use, just wash it and let it dry, but wash it with soap. Okay, so here are all my sticky mats that I've finished. And this one, I just washed it and let it dry. It's so sticky. This is the one I completely scrubbed off and applied a new layer. I did a thin layer because I want this to be kind of a light. And then this one where I half scrubbed off and half just washed it, and I did apply the glue to it as well, and it's super sticky. This is a strong grip, so I kind of applied a lot of the glue. And here's all the ones I still have to do. So I think I'm done for today because my arm is literally killing me, but I used to throw all these away and I'm really mad at myself that I did that. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out my website www.zhannastar.com where I make the cutest little baby accessories. Alright, thank you. Bye.